Hello, I'm Robert Olivier from CompostMania and I help develop the BioPod Plus. Today we're going to show you how insects can be used to eat our food waste. This new powerful concept of composting is called Grub Composting, and we effectively bioconvert food waste into insect protein all within hours. This presentation was originally put together for Will Allen at Growing Power and is made available for free on the internet in smaller segments. So let's take a look inside a Grub Composter. Thanks to Stefan Diener at the Swiss Federal Institute for Environmental Science and Technology, we get a time-lapse glimpse of what thousands of grubs can do with 2 fish in just a day. Normally, it would take weeks for these 2 fish to decompose, but given enough grubs, it becomes a matter of hours. Notice the timer on the bottom. We're only 3 hours into the decomposition process. They feed ferociously on all kinds of organic materials, from food waste all the way up to manures. And besides the speed of bioconversion, what really amazes people is that this really doesn't smell. Doesn't smell like any other compost bin. It doesn't actually smell. Yes, there is an odor. If I throw in spaghetti sauce, it will smell like spaghetti sauce, or in this case, fish. But because everything is shredded and eaten within hours, the entire process completes itself before the noxious odors can even build up. This is how nature recycles. Amino acids don't always have to break down into just nitrogen-rich compost. Instead, the most valuable nutrients can be upcycled within a day into fresh, new complex proteins and fats. Imagine if we could harvest these grubs daily in a convenient manner. There are all kinds of things we can do with a nutrient-rich, insect-based animal feed, especially if it's almost free. That's why we developed the BioPod Plus as a means to create protein from waste. In the United States, 98% of all food waste will never be composted properly. That's over 1,400 calories per person per day. The solution to our food waste has to be rapid and inexpensive. Furthermore, a scalable solution that can be placed directly near a home, restaurant, or farm will minimize the need for transportation. So, what if we could just rearrange our food waste biologically by mimicking nature? All we would need is organic waste under the optimal conditions, and we will be able to produce proteins, lots of cheap proteins. So, 1 square foot of grub composting produces up to 35 pounds of protein a year, replacing the need to plant 1/10 of an acre of soy and the need to dispose of up to half a ton of food waste. That's what I call nutrient recovery. More importantly, these grubs auto-migrate and can be easily harvested. They can be fed to chickens, fish, reptiles, or blended into all kinds of animal feeds.